Hello guys, welcome to Victor Science Hub. In today's video, we'll be using elimination method to solve simultaneous equations. So here our first question says solve 2x plus y equal to 7, 3x minus y equal to 8. So now the key thing about elimination method is cancelling of variables. So in elimination method, the main thing we are focusing on is we want to cancel one variable so that we can be able to find the other variable. So from this question, we have 2x plus y equal to 7 and 3x minus y equal to 8. So now, if you look at these two equations, we have y and we have y. They are the same, so they have the same coefficients. So we can perform an operation. We can add these two equations or subtract these two equations to make y to cancel out. So since we have plus y and minus y here, we are going to add the equations. So if we add these two equations, this y can cancel out. So if we add 2x plus 3x is 5x, plus y plus minus y is 0. So we have been able to cancel out y equal to 7 plus 8 is 15. So divide by 5, divide by 5. So we have x is equal to 3. So it's as easy as that. So now we are going to put it back into this equation. We can put it in either this equation or this equation. We call this equation 1 and we call this equation 2. So we can put x as 3 in either equation 1 or equation 2. So putting it into equation 1, we have 2 into 3 plus y equal to 7. So we have 6 plus y is equal to 7. So y is 7 minus 6, taking 6 to the right hand side. So we have y is 6, 7 minus 6. So y is equal to 1. So therefore, x is 3 and y is 1. So that is how to solve using elimination method. It's very easy to use. So here we have the second question. It says solve 7x minus 5y equal to 13 and 9x minus 11y equal to 1. So using elimination method. So when solving, we have to cancel out one variable from the equation. So let's call this equation 1 and let's call this equation 2. So now, let's choose a variable to cancel out. Okay, let's cancel out y. How can we make these two variables in the two equations to be the same so that they can cancel out? So that's what we should be thinking. So if we multiply this equation by 11, we are going to have 55. And if we multiply this equation by 5, we are going to have 55. So you see that we have the same variable, the same coefficient for the variable. So 11 times 7 is 77x minus 11 times 5 is 55y is equal to 11 times 13 is 143. And 5 times 9 is 45x minus 5 times 11 is 55y. 5 times 1 is 5. So now we have the same variable in the two equations. So if we subtract these two equations, we'll be able to cancel out these two variables. So subtracting 77x minus 45x is going to give us 32x minus 55y minus 55y. So minus 55y minus 55y is minus 55y plus 55y. So that is going to give us 0. So this is plus 0y is equal to 143 minus 5 is 138. So this is 32x is equal to 138. So dividing 2 by 32. So 32 cancel 32. So our x is 138 over 32. 2 can go here, will give us 69. 2 goes here, we'll have 16. So x is 69 over 16. Now, let's put our x inside any of this equation to get the value of y. So let's use equation 2. So we have 9 into 69 over 16 minus 11y equal to 1. So what we did there is that we put x as this value into equation 2. So 9 times 69 is going to give us 9 is 621 all over 16 minus 11y is equal to 1. Taking 621 over 16 to the right hand side, we have minus 11y is equal to 1 minus 621 over 16. So minus 11y is equal to LCM is 16. 16 into 1 is 16 minus 16 divides 16 is 1. 1 times this is 621. Minus 11y is equal to 60 minus 60, sorry, 16 minus 621 is minus 605 over 16. So we can divide 2 by minus 11 divided by minus 11. So this will cancel this. So we'll have y is equal to minus 605 over 16. So division, we have times 1 over minus 1 over 11. 1 over minus 11. So y is minus 605 over 16 times minus 11 is minus 176. So this can cancel this. So therefore, y is 605 over 176 and our x is 69 over 16.